Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a tail light on a GMC Yukon. Before you begin, gather your essential tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and your new replacement bulb. Always ensure your vehicle is completely turned off and parked on a level surface for safety. Taking a moment to prepare properly will make the entire process much smoother and quicker, saving you time and effort. Now, let's get started by accessing the tail light assembly. First, open your vehicle's tailgate to reveal the two retaining screws that secure the tail light in place. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, carefully remove both of these screws. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. It should slide out with a little firm, steady pressure, revealing the bulb sockets. With the tail light assembly removed, you can now replace the faulty bulb. Each bulb is housed in a socket. Simply twist the desired socket counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to release it from the assembly. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out from its socket. Take your new bulb and firmly push it into the socket until it's securely seated. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with bare hands to prevent oil transfer. Finally, let's reassemble everything and test your work. Twist the bulb socket clockwise back into the tail light assembly until it locks. Carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle and push it firmly back into place. Reinsert and tighten the two retaining screws using your Phillips head screwdriver. Once everything is secure, turn on your vehicle and test the new tail light to ensure it's working correctly. Great job! You've successfully replaced your tail light.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.